What is going on, guys? I'm here. It's me, Tim, Kid1 Afro 2, and I am going to do another unboxing. So I don't know, I was on Instagram and one of those Instagram advertisements caught me, and it was like about these temporary tattoos that are like, they're super hyped right now. They said like 7 to 14 days or something of temporary staying there. I'm going to, I just got the box in for some I ordered. I ordered a bunch of them because they were like cheaper, got them together. They're all the same one, but it'll be interesting to see how this works out. I'm very curious on what they look like, and I'm gonna try maybe applying it and seeing how well it works out. We will see. Let me just open this up. Okay, so it has like 4 of the, what did I get? I bought like 5 of them, dang. So I guess you have to do this whole, it's like a whole kit. It's a whole kit in here. It says temporary bad decision. So you know it's only temporary. And yeah, let's see here. You can see my design here, okay? It says, I don't even know if it's gonna write, but it says work, play, think, and learn. I don't know, I picked like 4 things I want to focus on right now, and you know, in life, and I picked a little clowning symbol for each one of them. Then here we also have these instructions. Made with natural ingredients, not tested on animals, water resistant, like I said earlier. It's fully developed in 24 to 36 hours. That's interesting. And long lasting, 8 to 16 days is what they claim. Is that real? Is that really real? I doubt it. But we will find out today, motherfucker. I guess I'm gonna try. It is the 30th, and I would like to have something styling for New Year's. So put like maybe on my arm, like right here maybe, because on my wrist it'd be way too big, like right around my freaking wrist. So like maybe like up here, I don't know. Let's put it on my forehead. That's what I need to put. So I am going to maybe try applying this and come back and show you guys what the results are. And yeah. Okay, this is shady. I have to throw it in the microwave. Okay, here is the big moment. I am going to peel off the magic. I'm already very disappointed. I see the word learn and it's so faded. Oh my god. No way, the money. Oh shit, I'm drilling on myself. Why did I do this? Okay, there we go. Okay. These 3 pictures look kinda cool. Like 1% cool. This guy is super faded, like faderific. But Maybe that's for some time in my darken. But yo, kind of looks real. I don't know. It's looking sloppy. But maybe with some time. Next time I'm putting all the pressure right here, because all these guys are pretty dark, but this motherfucker is just not dark. It says wait 5 minutes to let it dry. I'm gonna do that, and see what happens. That's looking way better. That's looking so much better now. Like, I can see the tattoo and everything. This is probably like 12 hours, something like that. Went to sleep, woke up, and it's way darker now, and I can actually see detail in the tattoos. It's amazing. Yeah, man, this is getting pretty cool now. Now it actually feels like I have a real tattoo. Before, I felt like I had like a faded, about to die tattoo. But now it actually looks like something. That's dope. Let's see what it looks like a few days from now. What's going on, guys? It is day three. Day three? 1, 2, 3. It's day 3, and the tattoo is still looking pretty fresh. I mean, the only issue with my tattoo in general is when I applied it was some of the smudges on the side. I don't know if I can show it on the camera, but you can see some smudges on Pikachu and smudges on Snoopy's books. Those are the only spots where there's any smudging. Other than that, like, and that was just from applying it. Like, other than that, it hasn't faded that much, I don't think. But yeah, day 3 and it's still super solid. I'd be like, oh shit, I actually have a tattoo now. You know, it's throwing me off. But it's pretty interesting. Definitely recommend so far. We'll see how long it lasts. Come back a few more days and see where it's at from a week from now. We will see. What's going on, people? This is the 7-day update. Yeah, it's been 7 days. It's been a full week since I put it on originally. And yeah, it's still on there really good. I don't see it coming off anytime soon. It's faded a lot though from its previous time. Yeah, it's definitely faded a lot, but I mean, it's still like, it looks like real, and yeah. But yeah, I'm kind of impressed by this tattoo. 7 days, it's still on there pretty good. It's faded a little bit, but it's mostly there. Pretty cool idea to try out if you guys are just, you know, thinking about getting a tattoo or something, and you know, you just really debating on it. So I posted on Facebook. People were like, "Oh shit, Tim got a tattoo. That's crazy." And you know, hella people thought it was real on Facebook. So if you're seeing this now, you know that it's not real. You know, I brought it to, you know, I went to a party, showed it off there. People were like, damn, that shit looks super real. And I'm like, yeah, because it is. It's a real tattoo. It's not like, you know, a long-term tattoo, but it's a real tattoo, motherfucker. But, yeah, so a lot of fun showing off the tattoo and trying it out. And, yeah, it wasn't that hard to apply. I wonder how long the maximum is going to be. I mean, this is after 7 days, and it's still on there pretty good. You know, so, you know, and I have a couple more to try. I'm probably put on like 1 a month or whatever and see how the magic is. But yeah, it's pretty interesting, and definitely recommend it if you're either thinking about getting a tattoo or want to act like you got a tattoo for 2 seconds. They got a, you know, bunch of regular designs on their site that you can just pick from, or you can do a custom one like mine and Clown. It's up to you to do what you want. So definitely recommend, and I'm gonna say it's a 5 out of 5 product for me, and I don't give 5 out of 5 to anything. So, but it did exactly what I expected from it, and yeah. Till later, guys. Peace.